Let's talk about Modere and see if it's the same as other network marketing companies or what makes it different. And first, I just want to explain to you that I'm going to call a spade a spade. Modere is a network marketing company. We call ourselves social retail, but at its core, it is definitely a network marketing company. And so I want to put it out there that yes, nobody is trying to hide that it's a network marketing company. It absolutely is. And so I've been involved in this network marketing space now for 9 years. And when I was first introduced to network marketing, I definitely was one of those skeptics who wanted to build an additional income stream from my phone and from home, but I thought that network marketing was a pyramid scheme, right? And so I was a licensed professional counselor, I was a school counselor, and I was like, no, I don't do those things. Those are pyramid schemes. Well, lo and behold, I got involved in Modere, and what I found is that it's a very different network marketing company than your traditional companies out there. And in my opinion, it has solved a lot of the problems with traditional network marketing companies and what they have. And so the first I want to talk about what is traditional versus what is social retail and what does Modere have to offer. All right, so the first thing is home meetings, right? A lot of times in traditional network marketing companies, you're doing home meetings, you're doing hotel meetings, you're meeting up and you're going away from your family. And what Modere has done is it has actually taught you to brand and build a business online through social media. So 100% of our meetings, of our, everything that we do is through social media. So if you want to watch a video or something, there's a live training for it. We don't do Zooms. We literally build from our phone. It is truly a phone-based business. Now, the second thing that makes Modere different than your traditional network marketing company is we don't carry inventory. A lot of network marketing companies will ask you to buy products to ship directly to your customers. Now, for me, that wasn't a business model that was going to work for me. I wanted to be able to have the company ship out the products. I didn't want to have to keep any inventory on hand. In fact, if I were to leave Modere at this point as a social marketer, I would have no inventory to sell because I don't personally carry inventory. What I have is I have a link that I share throughout my social media outlets for people that are interested in the product, and then I send it to them and the company ships directly very quickly to the customer. And so I have nothing to send anybody, and to me that's absolutely amazing, and it is truly a online business. I don't want to be running to the post office or boxing things and all of that, because that to me is just too time consuming as a busy mom. Now, the third thing that I loved about Modere that made it very different than the traditional network marketing space is that we don't do home parties or online parties. I came from a former company that was doing that, and to be honest, it wasn't working for me and it wasn't working for my team. Nobody wanted to do home parties. Everybody's life is so busy, so to get people in the door into somebody's home feels like a chore. And the same thing with adding people to Facebook groups. It just was not working. No matter what we did, no matter how fun we tried to make the parties, they weren't working. And so what Modere does is it has a $10 off coupon that you can share with customers on their first order. And as a customer, they then get what we call a referral link that they can share with their friends and family, and they give 10, get 10. So what does that mean? That means that they give their link as a customer. It has a $10 off coupon for them as well. And if their friend orders, then they get a $10 credit on their next order. And it has replaced parties. And to me, that is the key, because our customers, they love to share. In fact, over 80% of our orders come from customers, not from social marketers, which is amazing. And so if this is sounding like something that you're interested in, you want to build a business online, then definitely make sure in the description of this video, I have got for you a link to my Facebook page so you and I can chat, see if it's a good fit for you, see if what Modere has to offer might be something that you're looking for. Now you probably want to know that, how do you make money with Modere? Modere has a dual-sided comp plan, and this is actually one of the other things that makes it so very different. We have what we call an affiliate side of the comp plan, where you can just hit the top ranks of the sales side of our comp plan and generate up to 36% commission just by selling our products to your customers, right? And then we have the team building side of the comp plan, and the team building side is the traditional network marketing company where you build and collect money off of your downline, so to speak. And so what I love about Modere is that you get to pick and choose which side of the comp plan you want to build. Do you want to build just the affiliate side of the comp plan? And it's why we have so many influencers and so many people that are just great at sales, that love our products, having massive success, earning the trips, hitting the top ranks, walking the stages, because they love to share our products and they earn up to 36% commission doing that? Or do people want to build a team and get the more reoccurring income that happens with a team? Or do you want to do all three, which is what honestly most people decide to do, but the choice is yours to choose, and that's what I love about it. So again, if you're interested, you want to talk more about Modere, maybe you don't want to build a team, maybe you just want to, sell the products and earn up to 36% commission, then this is definitely the link to come and chat with me. Now, I will also say what makes Modere so awesome is with the customer side of our comp plan, what happens is that customer is now linked to you. So every time that they order, you get paid the exact same commission. It's not like some network marketing companies, you get paid, really heavy on the first order or the second order, but by the fifth or the sixth order, you're making very little commission. Well, that's not the case. You earn the same commission, whether it's the first time a customer orders or the 10th time that they order, right? And what they are is they're linked to you. So anytime they go onto that Modere website, they are going to they're going to be linked to you, and then you will get that reoccurring order. So building up that customer pod is really, really easy because you don't have to worry about them, going to somebody else or finding somebody else's linked, because once they're registered in the system, unless they want to release their name to another social marketer, then they are linked to you and they will be your customer as well. And you get paid off of the lifetime value of the customer and not just one time like traditional affiliate marketing is, okay? Now, we also have, at the time of this recording of this video, we have a new to market product line that is for hormonal health. And I haven't even put up a video over here on it because we don't know the name of the name of the product that's coming out right now. It's called Project 23, and I have been one of the exclusive testers on it, and it has been absolutely amazing. It is a hormonal women's health line that we have, one for women that are menstruating and one for women that are in menopause. And so there's two different formulas depending on where a woman is in their life and in their journey. And so I can tell you the products have been absolutely amazing. As a tester, I am blown away, and I can't wait to share my testimonial with everybody. So make sure you definitely subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on that and all of the other content that I put out here for you to help you build a business. And with that comes viral products, right? You definitely want to make sure that you've got a company that is viral, that has viral products, and that's what Modere has. And in fact, I'm going to link for you right up here Modere's trim video that I've made about one of our viral products. But this Project 23, aka Hormonal Health Line, is going to be a multi-billion-dollar sector of Modere coming here. So the opportunity right now is an incredible opportunity with a well-established, very successful network marketing company that's coming out with a brand new to market product line with their award-winning hormonal health line that they have coming out. So definitely make sure in the description of this video, you message me over on Facebook if it's something that's interesting to you, that you're like, wow, this could be a really good business opportunity for me. Definitely make sure you hit me up and let's chat about it. Now, the other thing that I love about Modere is when you do sign up with Modere, you are building an international business. What does that mean? Modere is in India, we are in Australia, we're in North America, we're in Europe. We can build an international team no matter where we are. And so it is a great opportunity to plug into to build an international business very, very quickly. And what I love is that when you build Modere, there's different ways to earn money, right? There's different ways to earn commission. Like I said, up to 36%. You get paid 2 times a day for product sales, and then there's the team building side. You earn money off of your downline as well. If they are successful, then you earn a commission off of their sales, which is what makes it the traditional network marketing way. And then we also get paid when people join our team. We get a 30% commission on their new orders. And so it has been an absolute game changer to have many different ways to make an income and to hit the top ranks and to earn some of the incentives that come with being in the network marketing space and being with a network marketing company. And so again, if you're interested, you want to check out Modere's products, definitely make sure you check the video, check my channel. I've done a lot of product reviews on it. And if you're thinking, oh my gosh, this could be like an amazing business opportunity, definitely make sure that you hit me up for a conversation. We can see if it's a good fit for you. I would love to have you on our team. We have something truly, truly special here where we have a team where everybody helps everybody win. We have systems in place for people to plug and play into. We've got your, a 45-day social media game plan to help you launch your business very strong. We have what's working in the social media online marketing world right now, and everybody shares tips and strategies. It really is an abundance mindset that we have at the company and on my team, where everybody just supports and loves each other, whether they're financially affiliated or not. And that is very different than the traditional network marketing companies that just don't necessarily have that type of culture that is associated with it, and it comes from the top down from corporate. And so it's truly been a game changer. If you're interested in learning more, definitely let's chat, and make sure you subscribe so that you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.